Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove a CMS from Framer. So I have one right here, and all you need to do is click on that layer. First, I want you to delete this from here. So right click on it, then click on delete. Okay, and then it would prompt you right here. Just click on delete again. We have deleted that whole page. Okay, now I can delete this as well. Okay, this is also the CMS. Can click on delete. There we go. Now I can click on this icon to access the different CMS that I have. Now I can come here, select it, and then delete it. Okay, so I'll select this one, click here on delete. That collection is gone. Can come here as well, delete all of these. Okay, and there you go. If you want, you can go ahead and delete it entirely. As such, just right click and click on delete. And there you go. That is how you can go ahead and remove CMS and Framer. Let's switch back, okay, to the normal view. And there you go. It's really that easy and simple.